Good morning, guys. Super excited to be on the video today with you. All right, let's jump into it. I know I'm like extra happy. Guys, these indicators are doing so well. We have just won our 45th for 45th trade on this channel, and we also actually ended up winning our 46th for 46th trade. So here was the 45th for 45th win yesterday. I ended up calling this out on Bitcoin was the first one, and then we ended up moving down and then calling the 46th for 46th win in our channel on Matic. This was a profit of 9.18%. Like, these aren't like small 1 to 2% scalping profits. Like, this is almost 10% on this trade, and this was 5.68%. So everybody is guaranteed to win these trades if you guys are over here. So congratulations, guys. If you guys didn't see the last Bitcoin video, here's what I was looking for. I said the trend exhaustion, the price versus the well money flow is at the bottom or heading up. This could be a divergence pattern forming. So if we keep moving down, watch for the bear trap and then a move back up. Okay, that's exactly what we ended up getting yesterday. So if you guys didn't understand what I meant there, let me prove to you guys, not prove to you, let me show you what I meant by that and then prove that this actually did end up taking place. And the indicators predicted it again. Okay, so I'm going to use the trend exhaustion and the price versus well money flow for this. This indicator, this is the last full day you guys have to get this indicator on sale. I'm upping the price of this in one day. Tomorrow morning at 12 p.m. get my AMs and PMs at lunchtime Pacific Standard Time, I'm going to be upping this indicator. It's the last time you guys can get this indicator for this price before I end up raising it. The link's in the description. You guys come over here. It says get our trading view indicators. Click that link. It'll take you to this page. Here's the trend exhaustion. I make this fast. Here's the trend exhaustion. Here's the price versus the well money flow. Price versus well money flow in the trend dashboard. The bundle pack is the best thing to get because this is not going to be going up in price, and you get actually all 9 of our indicators, which is more than what you get here. Source codes to all of them. It's a one-time charge, not monthly. You get them for life. All right, guys, get those before the price goes up. This is your last day. Watch this. This is how these indicators were able to predict the market, and this is going to save you guys tens of thousands of dollars depending on how long and how much money you guys are trading with in the market. What we saw yesterday was this move down. We saw the move back up because we saw the trend exhaustion at the bottom. I was predicting this move up. I said, guys, we're probably going to see a move back up here. Great. We ended up getting that move. But then yesterday, we saw bearishness enter into the market. And I'm like, no, this thing isn't going down because I know this indicator down here is a leading indicator. What does that tell you guys? This indicator down here is going to predict the moves of where crypto is going to go before it happens, as well as this one. This is why I don't use any lagging indicators on here. I'm not going to go into the whole difference between leading and lagging. These guys here are going to lead the price. They will tell you what's going to happen before they happen, and I'll prove it to you in this video because this is going to be a super fun video. And I will be going over the trade setup you guys can get into right now for Ethereum if you would like, so you guys can start taking advantage of the wins that we're seeing over here. Okay, follow me here. First off, this is definitely less. We are currently down only about 7.93. We exited 50% already, so you have to take this divided by half, so that's 4%, and then you guys only have 2 buy limits in here. So we're literally down only 2% on this trade right now. I'm actually in this trade. You guys can see this down here. I ended up getting picked up for Ethereum right down here. All the buy limits are the exact same. This is a full live trade that I'm currently in at the moment. I will be looking for exits up here. Watch this. As this move started moving back down here, what we saw was the trend exhaustion and the white line moving up here. We also ended up seeing that the money flow started to move back up into the market as well. This pushing up gave me a sign that we could not go down any further and we were looking for a move back up. I also showed this to you guys on the Bitcoin video I just did. Let me prove this to you guys again over here. When you guys start seeing price action create a low and a lower low, and you guys see the well money flow create a low and a higher low, as well as the trend exhaustion, guys, this price is not going to keep going down. Okay, it actually like physically can't because of the flow of money is not there to support it. Okay, when price action heads down here and you guys have money flowing into the market and you guys have the trend exhaustion saying, hey guys, we're going to move up here, this is going to predict the move up. I promise you guys every time. If you don't believe me, let's go over another one here. Watch this. Trend exhaustion, top red zone. Well money flowing green at the top. You are not supposed to be FOMOing in up here. What did this do? This perfectly predicted the drop all the way back down. Okay, come over here with me on this one. You guys see that we're in the top red section here, as well as the money flow is very high over here, as well as the top red section was hit. What were we doing over here, guys? We were not buying. We were setting up all of our buy limits actually down here, and we ended up getting triggered in, and this called the drop before it happened, okay? It also called the move back up here when that got down here and we started seeing moves back up. It called the move up here before it happened, guys. Like, I don't know if you guys understand what this is either. Some of you will, but this is is what's called a non-repainting indicator, okay? Sometimes what indicators will do is they'll repaint after a signal's been sent out. You guys need to get rid of those. Those are like literally garbage. I'm not trying to be rude there, but like this is a non-repainting indicator. This is full proof that when this happened back here, this is exactly what you guys saw. And this indicator is predicting the moves in Bitcoin so well. And this is why people are making a ton of money. I have guys making thousands of dollars a month just using this one indicator. It is insane. Okay, guys, prices are going up. Snag it today. Let's go over the metrics for Ethereum this morning and let you guys know what I'm seeing here. Okay, 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. These are going to update every single morning, Monday through Friday, even Saturday and Sunday. All right, we're down here into this anxious section. I know if you guys watch these videos every day, you're like, man, this is getting repetitive. But I promise you guys, if you're watching this and you start to understand this, you guys are going to be very, very profitable, okay? When you guys see anxiousness, or if you're brand new to this channel, when anxiousness is in the market, this is where you guys are going to have retail traders selling. This is very clear. We see this happening right here. Remember, this is a 4-hour and this is a daily time frame over here. See, this says 1 day right here. When this is seeing price action move down, this is clearly telling us that retail traders are selling. What are we doing? We are getting in here and we are buying this thing. We bought Bitcoin yesterday at one of the lowest prices possible and everybody exited in the profit and won the trade. We bought Matic yesterday. Everyone got in at literally the rock bottom price with our signal. They made 9.18% yesterday and I called the exits, okay? I'll show you guys how to set up all this before the video is over so you're not missing any of my other trade calls so you guys can get in here. We haven't lost a trade yet. I'll show you how to get set up. Just give me a second here. Long for short trades as far as Ethereum goes here. This has been bullish in my opinion. I know there's a lot of people on YouTube right now calling out, we're going to head down. We're going to go to $25,000, $2,000. I'm telling you guys, from an on-chain perspective, I don't see that happening. This is clear that short trades are moving out of the market. Guys, if short trades are moving out of the market, that means the whales and the institutions who are creating these charts in here, because obviously it's not retail traders doing this, the big boys are taking their short trades out of the market. They're not confident that this thing's going to go up. If they were, they would be shorting, okay? So let me say that again here real quick. When short trades increase on the blockchain on an exchange, this is telling me that whales and institutions are looking to acquire short trades because they have confidence that the price is going to be going down. When short trades move out, this does not show confidence in the whales and institutions that they can see the price continuing to go down. What's actually happening here is we actually see long trades steadily increasing while short trades are moving out. This is a bullish sign. Hello guys, this is a bullish sign that we could be heading up higher. All right, so I want you guys to watch this. Follow me down here and look at what's happening with whales and institutions. They are accumulating their long trades in the market down here. Okay, guys, there is very few times in here where we've seen little orange bars come down, and it's actually when we got up to the top section here and they made their money shorting this, okay? The last time we actually saw shorting pressure in the market from whales, institutions, and smart money was when we hit the high up here. Like, look at this, guys. Like, is this not perfectly telling you guys how to trade? Like, everybody's FOMOing in up here because all their friends and their brothers and their family are like, hey, man, I'm making a ton of money. And they're actually right. That's the scary part about this, guys, is your friends are actually making a ton of money and they're not lying about it. But the thing is you guys are jumping into these cryptocurrencies and these coins at the perfect wrong time. For us and the people I'm coaching, I literally coach people who have between $100,000 and $1 million. I've coached hedge funds. I'm telling them that I know retail traders are getting excited and they're telling their friends here. And I'm telling guys, look, you need to be looking for your short trades right now. You should not be following the hype of what people and retail traders are talking about or what the news is talking about. It's clear here. If you follow this metric, I believe this is the best metric online for crypto. Okay, I've compared it to Glassnode, CryptoQuant, all those other charting metrics. I believe we have the best one here. And I'm not trying to be arrogant about that. There's a reason why we haven't lost a single trade, and I believe this is a huge part of it. Okay, let's get to what I'm talking about right now. You guys need to be setting up long trades. This is not a time to be shorting the market, okay? If the market does continue to go down, we have buy limits. We have 4 of them. After your first one's hit, you have 3 other buy limits, guys, that are going to protect you in this market. People love this strategy because it's safe and they can go to bed at night knowing that they're not going to risk their whole portfolio, okay? So we're definitely in the good long trade section. Let's move down here. So support and resistance prices, guys. If Ethereum does drop out, let's just play this scenario real quick. I believe we're going to get a bounce at 2411. Where's 2411? Well, it's way the heck down here, and let me pull this over. It's at this structure over here. This is where I'm looking at. So could it head down to 2400? Yes, it could head back down here. Obviously, that's something that we have to say. Everything could happen. I do feel as though there is a little bit more momentum here trying to push cryptocurrency up by the end of the year than having it crash by the end of the year. Now, hear me correctly on this. I'm not saying it cannot go down further. That would be arrogant and foolish of me to say that. Like, yes, it can go down further, obviously. But I think overall the momentum here, I'm proving this to you guys. This is on-chain metrics right here of literal real transactions that are happening. Short trades are moving out. Long trades are moving in. Well, money is accumulating long trades. We're in long trades. We're winning our long trades, okay? Something's happening here where I do think we are going to start seeing moves up. We are already seeing that, and we're exiting trades, and we're winning. Okay, dollar cost average entries, guys. I am watching for one of these green bars to be forming maybe in the next few days if we get another move back down. Basically, we have $10,000 or $100,000. 10%, just throw into every green line, and you guys will do great for 5 to 10 years down the road. Just hold that, okay? Not financial advice, entertainment purposes only, but I just need to put that out there, okay? Exit points. All right, if this didn't call the top perfectly, I don't know what did. What I'm looking for here is for this metric to come out here and we start seeing price action move up, and I'm looking for red bars to come out and form here. When that happens, I will be looking to exit this trade here, as well as looking for the trend exhaustion to be in the top red section. So let me give you guys a full wrap up of how you guys can get in here, because you're like, great, Travis, you haven't lost a trade yet. I want to trade with you. I understand. I get it. Okay. Come over here to tradeconfident.io. These links are in the description to access the metrics as well as getting our trading view indicators. It's $49 a month. Here's the profits that people are making: $1,000 in a single week, $5,000 in a single week. 24 hours, a guy made $1,280. Just go down and look at all these $7,000. It just goes down, goes down. I had a guy actually make $60,000 using our indicators. That was ridiculous. $2,000, $4,000, $5,000 in here. Proof of it on his actual exchange. Like, read these guys. The membership is stupid cheap. I am going to be looking to up the price of this in the following months. I do not have an official date for that, to be honest with you, but everyone who buys in here, I will grandfather you in. Okay, so that means if you guys keep your membership at $49 and I raise it to, let's say, $100 or $200, you guys will not have to pay the increased price. You guys can keep it at this price forever as long as you keep your membership, okay? I'm giving this to you guys because I'm looking out for you. I'm looking out for the retail trader. This is not just for the big boys, okay? Once you have your subscription, come over to live trades. Click this right here. Get into any of these trades you want. My personal suggestion, if you want it right now, is to get into Cardano, is to get into Ethereum, and to get into Dogecoin. I really like those. You want another option? VeChain, I really like right now. Solana, I'm not so confident about. VeChain, Cardano, Dogecoin, and Ethereum are my top picks right now. Once you do that, guys, set up your indicators today because the prices are going up. Today is your last day. The prices are going up, okay? Get the trend exhaustion, get the bundle pack, get it on your charts, and then hit Telegram down here and you'll join the Telegram group. That's all you guys got to do. Set it up. Follow me on the videos. I'll be doing videos tomorrow, and let's start making some more money. Watch the trend exhaustion here, guys. If it does push into the top red section here and the well money flow pushes into the top here, I am going to be looking to possibly take some profits on here if we can push above the break even. If not, and you guys get triggered into your long trade, you guys need to be watching for when we get up here, because then that's where you guys need to be looking to take some profits, okay? God bless you guys so much. I'm having a blast with you guys. I answer like over 200 emails a day to help you guys. If you have questions, email me, betradeconfident@gmail.com, and I'll be there to answer. All right, guys, see ya. God bless you again. Get the indicators, get the subscription. Let's make some money, and let's see if we can go for 50 trades in the month of October. All right, we'll see you guys. Bye-bye.